Hello, Ramona. I can't shake this simple.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you guys along with me for a little beach trip that I'm going with my family tomorrow. We're actually gonna go to a thrift store. It's the same chain of thrift stores that I always go to in my area, but it's gonna be in a different town. So I'll take you guys along for that. It's a really short trip. It's just a one night. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. So you guys know that I like to start my videos with an outfit of the day. So I'm wearing the Stay Crew peplum top that I thrifted. This bag, which is from Zara, and I showed you it in a haul video. And then I have my Zara jeans, which I've been wearing almost every single day lately, and then also my Zara flats, but these ones are thrifted as I showed you in my last video. This little Mary Jane's. I also have this heart necklace, this choker that I also got from Zara from their sales. For a quick trip at the thrift just to see if I can find some things to resell, checking things out. I saw this little Franco Sargent heels the other day and I'm obsessed with them. They're too small. Oh my gosh, look at this J. Crew heels. I found these Rugrats Fila sneakers. They have all of the cartoons on the inside and they're in really great condition. And for super cheap, these are $7. These ones would have been perfect for me to bring to the gym. They're in pretty great condition, these Adidas, and I love the gold detail. I love colorful sneakers like these when they're chunky. So I made it to the boot section because they have a 40% off sale on all of them. So my aunt came here earlier and she said that they have new bags, and they do, so let's check them out. Oh, this one is so cute. I really love this color and how tiny it is. A little crossbody. Look at this tote bag, how cool. This one, I really like the strap of, but I don't need it. That one's cute, but I do have my red tote bag from Boots and Brothers that I got from here. Look at this bikini bottoms, how cute. Look at this little strawberry makeup little storage bag. I was just walking past the men's section and I saw this t-shirt, which this graphic is so cute. That is so cute with all of these cats. I've been seeing tons of cat graphics, even though I don't like cats myself. They do look pretty cute. Hand fits in mine like a needle and a groove. Champion. I thought it said Hamptons. That's so cute. I just found the cutest Beatles crew neck for one of my brothers. That is so cute. And that one is so cute too. And then we ran into my cousin and he found this Rick and Morty little hoodie, voltealo, which is so cool, but it's $15. So cute. But it's like $10. This really cozy hoodie like blanket. This would be really cute if I lived somewhere where it was really cold. Guys, I feel like the best days are when you're not finding anything and then all of a sudden you do. You're looking for long sleeves. This one was this one by Loft. It's in a size medium. Love this bow and I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. This one, which the lady, she saw it and she was like, this is so you, and she's so right. I think it's vintage because it's a paper tag. It's by Karen Leslie. We have this one. Oh wait, actually it's Shein. I think this one's gonna go back, but the other two I'm gonna get. So now we're heading to the grocery store to get some essentials for tomorrow. It's currently 8:16 a.m. and I'm about to start packing. I did make a list of the things that I'm gonna need. So for clothing, I'm gonna bring 2 swimsuits, 2 dresses, one for Sunday morning, one for Saturday night, a pair of shorts, a skirt, and a pair of pants just in case because we might extend our trip until Monday, a plain t-shirt and a cute top, a swim cover-up, and my tote bag, my Zara beaded bag, and then a pair of pajamas. And that's all I'm gonna pack, so it's gonna be pretty minimal. And then of course my shoes. Bring my cute little tote bag. Zara beaded bag is inside of this. I'm gonna bring my Gani swimsuit, the cupshe one. This is gonna be my Sunday morning dress, and this is gonna be for tonight. My favorite pair of shorts, sandals. I'm gonna bring these some Edelman ones, as well as these also some Edelman ones. Did them both on the same day, and I'm just gonna bring them both because I can wear these around the beach, and this I can just wear with one of my outfits. And flip-flops that I thrifted the other day, I have been wearing them every single day ever since then, just around the house, but I'm gonna bring them with me. I could bring this pink linen pants from Zara that I haven't worn yet because I have nothing to go with them, so I need to find a top for this. I'm not gonna bring it. This is everything I'm packing. I'm just missing a pair of shoes, but I think I'm gonna just figure that out off camera and figure out what I'm actually bringing from all of this. But this is a rough draft of what I'm bringing. I also need to dry my hair, so I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I'm all ready. I'm just waiting on my family because my brother's take forever to get ready. So here is how my hair turned out. We wanted to show you guys my thrift haul from yesterday before we leave. First thing was this sleeve t-shirt. This is for one of my brothers. He loves the Beatles, so naturally we got him this. It's so cute. Ended up getting this Banana Republic white t-shirt. I don't have a plain white t-shirt, or I didn't until now, and I feel like this is just a staple in anyone's closet, so I got this, a super soft material, and I wanted to take this with me, but I didn't have time to put it in the wash in time. This little loft sweater, I love the bow on it, and it's a really thin sweater, which is perfect for where we live. But my mom ended up taking it for herself because she fell in love with it. It fits her better than me. This green vest, I love the color in this. It's this crochet, and I don't think you can tell on camera, but it's a little bit shimmery. I also wanted to take this with me to wear on top of that white t-shirt, but again, I didn't have time to wash it in time. And this is by New York & Company in a size medium. And the last thing that I got was this Karen Leslie top, this long sleeve, and this is one that I'm going to share with my mom because she loved it too. It's this red, white, and black striped top. So cute, such a nice fabric. I have yet to try this on. This romper that I thrifted months ago, and my everyday flats. That's in Puerto Plata, and I was the one to book the place, so it turns out that I just got the photos from the outside, and the outside is not matching the inside, so we're really just waiting until we get there. It does really have great reviews, and it seems like a super cozy place, but I will update you and show you when we get there. Hopefully it looks better in person, at least the outside, because like I said, the inside does look pretty nice, and everyone says that it's a good place. Alright guys, we're here. Saludos, 15. I see. Alright guys, we're here. It's cute. It's cute. So here we have the living room. Here we have a little dining area, the kitchen. I think we should probably turn on the lights. Alright guys, so I'm trying to give you guys a slower tour, but I really like the kitchen. It's really pretty. A little laundry area. There's my parents' room. It's very nice. And then 2 more rooms. Guys, so we are going to go explore the beach, then we're going to the grocery store. Next we have something at 6:30 until around 8, and then we're going to dinner. So I'm going to take you guys along for everything. I'm super excited to see the beach. I am going to put my bathing suit underneath. I brought the cup shoe one as well as the Ganni one like I showed you earlier. I'll go with this one. This is the only mirror that I have, so I can't really show you guys, but this is what it looks like. Throw on my romper again. And by the way, I just brought these sandals. I think the other ones were too much, so I just brought these ones. I've been looking for my glasses for like literally 15 minutes, and we just found them. They were in my grandma's bag. It looks like she thought they were hers. Guys, look, there's a thrift store that we're going to.
Bienvenidos a mi canal, amigos. Aquí estamos en Playa Dorada.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Leticia Freenet. Vamos a ver en qué está Leti.
Mi abuela no camina más rápido. Darán un carrito de
Leti, pero lo va a tumbar, lo va a zumbar.
ese muñeco, Leti, grábalo.
Leti, cuidado.
Almost the sunset. I don't know why I even washed my hair, like dried it before coming here. Essential coffee, but this is the decaf. I'm looking for the regular one. We'll go with this one. Wait, actually we're gonna go with this one. These are my favorite shampoo. They said they had a blow dryer on the listing, but they don't have one. I wet my hair obviously at the beach and had to go and buy some shampoo and conditioner. But it turns out that they don't have a blow dryer, so I have something tomorrow morning that I need to look good for. I want to look good for. My hair is gonna be crazy, but I am going to try a hack that I actually tried when I was way younger, which was basically taking a clothing iron and ironing my hair with it. We're going to use something in between my hair and the iron, obviously, because I don't want to burn my hair off. My grandma actually said that that's how she used to dry her hair back in the day. She has tried it. My aunt tried it with me when I was younger. I also have an update on the thrift store situation. So basically, it's not gonna be open tomorrow, which is Sunday. So sadly, that's not gonna be in this video. I do have to come to Puerto Plata pretty often for something. Probably gonna do a video thrifting here. So let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. Gonna see you guys tomorrow when I'm doing my hair and getting ready. These Halar jeans are the comfiest things ever because I ended up not bringing my pajamas just because of storage and things, and just because it's one night. So I just brought this sweatshirt and some shorts, but it's super cold, and these jeans have been the best thing ever. So freaking soft, they feel like loungewear. Hey guys, I know it may not look like it, but I just got showered. It's currently 6 a.m. Here is how my hair turned out. Worst case, I will just have to put it in a ponytail. Forgot to put my retinol last night. I only brought these shoes, this pink one. Need to put a little bit of makeup on and do something about this hair. Hola, ¿tú quieres café?
Negocio